Austin, where are you here? Hapa ni wapi? Laitoktok. Okay. Sawa. Hii ni seti ya nanofilter ambayo inaweza ikatumika kwenye picnic. Badala ya kutumia chupa za plastiki, mnaweza mkawa na madumu yenu ya maji ya nanofilter na kistendi chenu hicho. Mkiwa kwenye picnic, mkiwa kwenye camping. Mko mnafanya nini hapa?
Camping.
Tuko kwenye camping. Tunaona vijana wengi hapa wana enjoy, wanakula chakula, wakimaliza wanapata maji ya kunywa, maji ya nano filter, mazingira hayachafuki. Hata parking mkiwa mnaondoka mnavunja kambi, hakuna uchafu kwenye mazingira. Karibu sana. Nano filter, clean and safe water for all. That's right. We have Natalia and Oriana making for us. What are you making, Natalia? You are making what? Cabbage. Oriana, can I see you how you can mix the cabbage? Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Is it done? Is it done, Oriana? It's done, eh? Okay. Thank you. We have the Pathfinders here, busy preparing our lunch. Everyone is busy, ready to help. Thank you, Pathfinders. Is it nice to live together like this?
Whose hands are clean?
Yay! There you go. We make a decision and become one family in the country living.
Yeah, you take it there.
Queen of the night, huh? But you can do more research and find out. When this flower, it has white flowers, white flowers that are have pink on, and many of them. When it reaches 6 p.m. in the evening, right now it doesn't have flowers, it already has fruits. Huh? This whole area smells beautiful fragrance. From here up to the neighbor's place all the way, it smells like you're walking into a garden of fragrance. Who can explain to me why it smells at night and not during the day? And why the other one smells during the day and not at night? Yes. It is not protected.
It has so many, like,
it has
smells
bugs.
good.
Yeah? It has pests and parasites.
Ladybug.
Yeah, that's ladybug. Do you know ladybug?
Where is it?
The ladybug.
Let the ladybug do whatever it's doing.
Yeah. So, wait.
It's in its
This is
natural
interesting, yes? Thank you. So, wait, don't touch it. So, by bugs. These are pests. They are sucking the sap of the rose. If they do that, this rose will dry because they're taking more nutrients than the rose can be able to take. But then go.
How many monkeys do we have over there? 50 monkeys.
Sasa Rita kuna maana bado mnataka muende kwa river. Kuna mtu kivuka maji. Wapili kuna maji.
That's not a song.
Small, just that is not longer than 30 seconds. And then is the screen here, you can only yeah, take them to the other side.
Very nice resting place. Tree climbing. This is real life. How many of you want to go home? How many of you want to go home? Eh? What do you say, Natalia?
No, I want to go home.
Yes. You don't want to go home?
So fun.
Life
in Kenya is easy.
What in Kenya? It's countryside.
What is it?
It's countryside. What are you saying, Tabea? No, he was saying that. Okay. What is the name of this dog? Sunshine. Sunshine.
What do the parents say?
Slowly. Do you see the landscape?
Yeah.
If you just lie down there, you are done. Slowly.
without touching a thing. Stand up. Don't need it. No, back it. Wait, toka, ukishamaliza amka. Yes, amka. Yes. It's okay, umeamka. Amka next. Yes, amka. Okay, let's stop while I'm simama. So you can practice that. It keeps you fit. Yes. So ladies, I don't know, you can't do it today.
We will go, Ana Shida. Yay! We are Pathfinders. Either.
I have an announcement to make. The passcode to your meal today is to answer questions. The passcode to your meal for your lunch.
You like to Arusha hungry, you decide.
Yes, you have to answer the questions.
Okay.
What are you eating?
Passion
Where did you get
Tell
it?
you something about
from down.
this part.
Down what? The farm.
And then now we can go to the
Wow.
river.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Enjoy.
That's surgeon.
Correct.
Goes through your whole body for some
Take a photo. You have never seen
Wow.
a grape tree. So take a
I have actually.
take a photo of the grape tree.
And we have some grapes here the ambazo zimezaliwa hazijaiva bado. Don't touch it. It's there, but this is
Take a photo.
this is how they plant grapes.
You want to have a... How many of you are in secondary school? Junior secondary school? Junior? High school? None. Okay, then this one won't be there.
In high school.
Secondary. Oh, okay. In Kenya, high school and secondary school are the same. So secondary school is okay, yeah. So, how many are in secondary?